Hey guys, Sarah here, Bronx here, Josie's here, Harley's here, but she's being a quiet girl. Bronx is really rambunctious back there today, so might get a little loud back there. Okay, so today we're actually trying out a new box. So this is Birchbox. This is like the first beauty box that ever came out, I want to say. It's like a tie between this and Ipsy, but they were like the originals. This box is $15 a month, but you can also, if you do like a 6-month or a year-long subscription, you can get a discount to $14 or $13 a month. In this box should be 5 samples tailored to my skin, hair, makeup preferences. I have seen or heard a lot about this box being really skincare heavy, which I'm not, I prefer makeup, but as you get older, skincare becomes super, super important. So I am excited to give this a try. We'll say this funny, this is addressed to the noble Sarah. So I thought that was kind of cute. I don't know why it says noble, but it says I'm noble. So I guess I'm sort of fancy these days. I do want to mention real quick that I do have a giveaway going on. If you are interested in that, it ends April 30th, so make sure you check that out. I will put a little card up here, as well as I'll put it in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Okay, anyways, I've been rambling way too long. Let's go ahead and just open this up. Okay, so when I have it opened up, it's got a bunch of little air pockets on it. It has my invoice right here. I think I did get a fragrance gift with this. I think right now if you sign up for like a year, you can get like a Smashbox palette, or there's always like all these gifts if you do like the longer subscriptions, and I think when I signed up they had a 3-month subscription. I could be wrong. Okay, so after I pull that out, there's another little box in here. It says yes, and then it just says Birchbox right there. So let's see what we have. Okay, that took way longer than it should have to get open. So now that I have this box open, I know, I have another box. So I will say the packaging is a little much on this. I have 3 boxes, so maybe it's a little wasteful. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So it's got like this little card right here on the front when I open it up. It's just basically wanting me to let them know what I think of the box, and then on the back it has everything I'm getting in the box as well as the values, so that's cool. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is from COOLA, which is cruelty free. As always, I will say this right now, if I don't know if something's, she just drank water and then came and licked me, isn't that sweet? If I don't know if something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as the values of everything, all that stuff, if you are interested in that. But COOLA I do know is organic, so this is cruelty free. It says organic on the box, or on the packaging, so it's organic too. So this is a BB cream, has SPF 30, and mine is in the shade Golden, which I don't feel is gonna be too good for me. The fact that it's golden tells me that it has yellow undertones, but let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I personally have more of a neutral undertone, which, shout out to anybody who's neutral. It's really hard to find neutral undertone makeup. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my hand. Hey. I guess since because it's a BB cream, it's not going to be as pigmented, so it does seem like it goes okay with my skin. There's literally no coverage on this, so if you're like into, having a more natural look, this will be good for that, which makes sense. It is just a BB cream. So yeah, I will maybe try that out this summer. So actually, now that I'm looking at the back of the card, the full-size values are on here, not the sample size. So the full-size value of the COOLA BB cream is $52. So a little bit pricey in my opinion for a BB cream. I personally really like the Physicians Formula BB cream. It has a little more coverage than that, I want to say. The color range is not great on it, but I do like that BB cream. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Vasanti, which is cruelty free. So this is the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. I do have a full size of this, and I do like it. I use it about once a week, so it's really good for, you know, getting away all that dead skin and all that stuff. The full size value of this is $34. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from a brand I've never heard of. So it's 100% pure green tea EGCG concentrate cream. So there's that. I don't know what any of that means. So it says it's a moisturizer that heals and protects skin from environmental damage. Interesting. Full size of this is valued at $45. It does say on the back that it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, non-toxic, and then on the front it said it is vegan. So kind of a really tiny little sample here, but I definitely will try it out. All right, so the next thing I am pulling out is from, what is this? This is from number 4. It's High Performance Hair Care. It's a smoothing balm. It has something in French I want to say on the front that I can't read. What's that? Vegan, gluten-free, does not say whether it's cruelty-free. So it says it's for put onto damp hair, and then it minimizes frizz, protects against heat damage, and adds texture. So it's kind of like a 3-in-1 right here. It smells okay. It's got like a cream consistency, you can see right there on my finger. I do like the way it smells, so if it is cruelty-free, I definitely will give this a try. The full size of that is valued at $30. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Loke. The paper says Love of Color. Never heard of this brand. So this is the One and Done Shadow Stick, and mine is in the shade Heavy Petal. It's just like a little crayon right there. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I like that. So it's like a very light pink shimmer shade. Like I said, I don't know if they are cruelty free. It doesn't say on here, but if they are, I definitely will try this. I really like that color for the summer. So really pretty. And the full size of that is valued at $10, so not a bad price, I don't think. Okay, one more thing. This is from Wander Beauty, which is cruelty free. This is the Skinny Dip. It's a lip retreat oil. Oh God, it just like exploded when I opened it. That's great. So it is like a tinted oil. I think you can maybe see that on my hand. It's got like a little bit of a nude color. Has like a gloss feel. It's very, very sticky. Let's see. So, okay, so it's packed with a blend of oils that firm and moisturize your lips. This pinky beige shade glides on to give you all-day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. So I do like Wander Beauty a lot. I'm kind of sad that like half of this stuff is just hanging on the outside now. But I definitely will use it. I'm not huge into lip glosses, but I like this color, so I probably will try it. I'm trying to get back into the lip gloss train. It's just not my, I just don't like the way it feels, so we'll see if I can get there. And the full size of that is valued at $22. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I was supposed to get some sort of gift, and I don't see it anywhere because my little invoice here says gift with subscription fragrance duo, and I don't have it in here. So, but overall, I think I'm kind of with everyone else. I don't really like this box. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's just not my favorite. For $15 anyway. Like everything in here I'm pretty sure is sample sized, and I just don't know if it's worth it. I'm kind of can't wait to do like the breakdown of everything to see how much this actually is worth. So don't forget to look at the description box down below. But that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.